This is part 4 on the rain roof thing. Now my brother already added styrofoam, but it needs to harden. Support. I think using this is styrofoam thing. He added the styrofoam thing already. Yeah, I don't know how long it takes for styrofoam to harden. Yeah. This is how it is. Now update on the garlic. My brother thingy changed what it looks like. I was supposed to take off the peel, spread seeds around. Update on the strawberries. They're doing quite good. See that's how good my brother Weldon he does. Now if you're asking what's my favorite thing from one of these things, I'll look for it. This is my favorite one. Coca melon. Mini mass melon, or also known as the smallest watermelon with a cucumber like inside. Like they're called, or also known as small Mexican gherkins. Let's not forget about the chili pepper basket fire. Too bad these things hate coldness. Oh my god, spiders. Yeah. Or you places webs. I don't know how they even got in.